Oh. The number 3 vowel, oh. The midway lip opening produces the vowel sound oh, as in ball, ball, short. This vowel is very commonly mispronounced as
I kicked the ball short.
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 I kicked the ball short. I kicked the ball short. I kicked the ball short.
The tendency is to close down on this vowel so it comes out more like O or instead of a well-defined aw. Hold it open in that middle position with good shape. Look in the mirror and compare it to mine. Aw, ball, short. Number 3, aw. Aw. The midway lip opening produces the vowel sound aw as in ball.
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 Ball. Short. 4. 40. Morning. Forehead. Laundromat. Horse. Saw. Law. Repeat stage 2. Don't lose the shape. Ball, short, 4, 40, morning, forehead, laundromat, horse, saw, law. Okay, repeat again, stage 3. But with this vowel, don't ease up too much. You want to keep that stretch and shape so it holds its form. Ball, short, 4, 40, morning, forehead, laundromat, horse, saw, law.